Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We found another one of LiTime's batteries that are extremely convenient to use and a huge price drop. So I wanted to highlight that for you. If you're in a hurry and just want to try to take advantage of the discount, you can also use my promo code AdventureTech. Get an additional discount on top of that. So use the links in the comments or the description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. Everybody else wants to hear more about this battery. We're about to jump right in. Now, this is the 400 amp hour version of LiTime's 12 volt LiFePO4 battery. These are huge, reliable, long-lasting energy storage. They got 400 amp hour capacity. That's like having 4 100 amp hour 12 volt batteries all hooked together, except for you don't have to worry about fuses, breakers, all these different things and wires. This is all built into one with a smart BMS built in to keep this battery safe, lasting a long time. It's got 250 amp hour protection. These are upgradable. You can actually get up to 81 kilowatt hours of power this setup, and you don't have to have a bunch of little tiny batteries. You have these huge batteries built in at 400 amp hours, so you can get up to a 51.2 volt, 1600 amp hour battery bank. So basically what you can do with these batteries, you can upgrade these battery setups. You can even get it up to 48 volts. You can get a max output power of 51 kilowatts, and you can get max usable storage of 81.92 kilowatt hours. Max discharging and charging current of 1000 amp hours, giving you that output. So why upgrade to LiFePO batteries over lead acid? Well, the main reason is the energy density. These are much lighter and they output at higher wattage. So think about that. They're lighter, smaller, and they give you more power. So the energy density is a huge upgrade. That combined with the 4,000 plus cycles, compared to a lead acid battery that might get you 500, I mean, it's a no-brainer. The way they build these batteries is so versatile, in fact, that you can use these in your RV, you can get it in your truck, you can use it for off-grid systems, home storage, marine, or like me, I have some setups that actually travel from one thing to another. I can pull my battery off, set it up on this system, grab this, bring this over here, because the batteries are so versatile. And I wanted to bring this battery to your attention because it's so easy to use, especially if you're building these 12 volt battery banks that become a headache and you have all these batteries scattered around with different wires. This one case is so nice to have. It looks nice, it looks professional, it looks clean, and the price just dropped quite a bit. And you can use my promo code AdventureTech if you want to try to get an additional discount on top of that. You can use the links in the comments or the description to get over the page and get the deal and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments. I'm glad to help. And you can actually subscribe to my channel completely for free by clicking the subscribe button. But make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to get over here and hear about these new deals.